How to restore deleted files from Recycle Bin in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open File Explorer, or you can simply open the Recycle Bin folder. Once you do, at the top you will see the option of Restore the selected item. For that, you need to select the file which you want to restore. Right click on it and choose the option of Restore. After that, you will be able to see that the file has been restored in its original location. Now the next method is to simply go to Start menu, search for System and Security. After that, once you are in System and Security, simply go to Backup and Restore. Once you click on it, there you will see the option of Restore My File. Simply click on it. After that, you will see on your left hand side a menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option of Restore Personal Files. Select the location where you want the file to be restored, and then choose the option of Replace the file in this destination. After that, you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.